Hey, hi, hello, how we doing? Jason Aram here. Appreciate you stopping by. But apparently, I've been keeping the postman pretty busy. So I had Gordon give me a package the other day, and I had another package show up here. The big one. It's gonna be a surprise. It came from Coffee and Camping. So I told them a long time ago when they hit 1,000 subscribers, I'd make them something for their giveaway. Well, I did, and it looks something like this. Well, they got it, and they actually went onto my Amazon list and got me something, and here it is. I have no clue what it is, but it's here, so let's open it. All right, so this is something I wanted because apparently I put it on my Amazon list, and just like the last big present that I got, which I believe was from my Renaissance grandma. She sent me a surprise gift from Amazon, same way. A gift for you. Little scanny thing. Amazon puts them in these nice little reusable bags, which is kind of nice. Now the struggle was real. We got some PLA. What color is this? So this is some filament for my 3D printer. Cool. I could always use that. What color is this? I'm blind. I don't have my glasses. I see a neon green, maybe. I think that's what it says. Let's open it up and find out. All right. Well, I don't have nothing running on my printer right now. This morning I finished up with a flexible bone, dinosaur bones. Oh, this is the airplane. So this is super lightweight. I'll be able to make a drone now. That's what this was for. I was wanting to make a drone. I've got a bunch of components. Um, it's one of those big high on my wish list, but that is the lightweight stuff. Oh, I'm floored. Thank you. Um, I'm gonna have to go look at my files and see what I got. All right. So once again, that was from Coffee and Camping. I'm sure I put their link up somewhere else. That's what their page looks like. They're live all the time. They travel 6 months out of the year. They're home right now for summer. You know, they're snowbirds. So there's a series going on right now. I've seen there's some premieres. I think I'm on like episode 4 right now. They are doing 2 weeks at a time. They stay at one place 2 weeks, travel 2 weeks, go on and so on and so forth. Go check it out. Links will be in the description. I appreciate you guys over there at the Coffee and Camping. Um, See you next time.